In this video, I'll show you how to remove apps connected to your Google account. First, you just need to open up a Google app or simply open Google in your browser. Once you're there, all you need to do is head over to the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. Once that's done, go ahead and tap on Manage your Google account. Your Google account settings will then open up. From here, you'll need to scroll across this carousel of options at the top and look for the one called Security. Go ahead and click on that. Scroll down until you find the option for third-party apps with account access. When you see it, tap on Manage Third-Party Access. And there you go, you'll now see a list of all the apps currently connected to your account. You'll also see some extra details about apps that use Sign In with Google. So, if you notice an app that you want to remove, just tap on it. It'll give you a bit more information about that app, and then, you'll see the big option, Remove Access. Tap on that. You'll then be asked to confirm your decision. Of course, don't worry, you can always grant access again in the future if you change your mind. So, if you're sure, just tap OK. And there we go, it will say Account Access Removed. That's it. You can now repeat this same process for any other apps you may have. In my case, I only had one app connected, so there wasn't too much to review. But for a lot of people, you might have a much longer list. So, there we go guys. If you found this guide useful, please consider leaving a like.